Hello viewers and dear students, you are watching Lighthouse YouTube channel by Deepak Sarnobat. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the beautiful poems by Walt Whitman, Song of the Open Road. Before reading and understanding this poem, we have to understand who is Walt Whitman. He is an American poet, essayist, and journalist. He is called the father of free verse. Leaves of Grass is a collection of poems which was published in July 1855. The present poem is taken from this collection. O Captain, My Captain is a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln. O Captain, My Captain is an elegy, a song of grief, and it is written on the death of Abraham Lincoln. Let me tell you the meaning of these lines. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. The poet says, I am ready. I am without any problems, without any burden. I am prepared to start my journey. Here, the poet is not going to any city or any particular place. It indicates the journey of his life, and he is ready to start journey of his life. Healthy, free, the world before me. The poet says, I am healthy, I am free, without any burden. I do not have any kind of stress. The world before me and the whole world is before me as a destination. The long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. It means the poet is also confident that he has the freedom to choose his own path. Let me read next few lines. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms, strong and content, I travel the open road. Now let's understand the meanings of difficult words. Henceforth means hereafter, from now. Whimper means to cry softly, especially with fear and pain. Postpone means delay. Querulous means complaining, and content means satisfied. When you say I am content, it means I am satisfied. Now let's understand the meaning of these lines. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. The poet tells us that he will not believe any fortune or any luck, because his luck, his fortune will be created by himself, he himself. So he is not going to depend upon someone or something. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Poet says that before this day he used to cry, he used to complain over trivial things, but from now, from today, he will not cry for anything, he will not make any complaint about anything, he will not postpone his activities, his actions, and for his journey he needs no one, nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms, the poet says, I will not do any kind of complaint about anything. I have read many books in the libraries, but I want to experience the real world beyond books. I want to experience the practical world. Querulous criticism. Now, I will not think about complaining, or I will not think about the people who criticize me, who blame me. Strong and content, I travel the open road. I am strong, I am powerful, I am satisfied, and I am able to lead my journey, the journey of my life. Now, let me read next few lines. The earth that is sufficient. I do not want the constellations any nearer. I know they are very well where they are. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. There are few difficult words. Sufficient means enough, adequate. Constellations, dictionary meaning a group of stars, but here we have to take it as destiny, luck, powerful people. Suffice means be adequate, be enough. Now let's understand the meaning of these lines. The earth that is sufficient. I have some expectations, I have some hopes, and this earth is enough to fulfill my needs, expectations, hopes. I don't want anything else. I do not want the constellations any nearer. My journey, my expectations, my hopes will be fulfilled by myself. So I don't believe in fortune, luck. I don't believe in powerful people, because fortune can't do anything for me. Powerful people are useless for me. I don't believe in them. I know they are very well where they are. The poet says that these powerful people are very well where they are. I do not want to go into their life, or I don't want their help. So let me lead my own life. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. Some people believe in these powerful people, but I do not. I do not have faith in these people. I have faith in myself. Now I am going to read last few lines of this poem. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them, and I will fill them in return. There are two difficult expressions. Old delicious burdens. The poet wants to tell about sweet memories of the past, sweet memories of the people and places which he would like to remember forever. Second expression, to get rid of, means to be free from, to be free from something, or to be free from someone. Let me tell you the meaning of these lines. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. The poet is going to start the journey of his life, but still he has sweet memories of the past, sweet memories of the people and places, sweet memories of attachments and relationships. That is why he calls them old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. The poet says that these people, these places, these attachments, these relationships, I will take them with me wherever I will go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them, and I cannot be separated from these memories, sweet memories of the people, places, from these attachments, from these relationships. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. My life is full of their memories, sweet memories, and I can't lead my life without them. So, they are part of my life and I am part of their life. Though I am going to start new journey of my life, it doesn't mean I am going to start this journey without them. I will take those memories with me wherever I will go. They are inseparable. I can't live without them as they can't live without me. The poem Song of the Open Road by American poet Walt Whitman is about optimism, energy, and confidence. The poet tells us indirectly that the world offers opportunities to those who want to use them. If you love this video, please like, share and comment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe Lighthouse YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.